Amazfit GTS 2, smartwatch for men, Android iPhone. The Amazfit GTS 2 smartwatch for men. Android iPhone is an impressive and innovative wearable device that offers a wide range of features to enhance your daily life. With its sleek design and advanced technology, this smartwatch is a perfect companion for men who value both style and functionality. The first standout feature of the Amazfit GTS 2 is its 1.65-inch vibrant and high-definition touchscreen display. The large screen size ensures that you have a clear view of all your notifications, fitness data, and other important information. Whether you're glancing at your heart rate or checking your daily schedule, the display provides an immersive and visually appealing experience. This smartwatch is equipped with various special features that promote overall well-being. The sleep monitor function allows you to accurately track your sleep patterns, providing valuable insights into the quality and duration of your sleep.